start? So what are we studying yesterday? HB estimation by Sahli's method. So what is the procedure? What is the principle of Sahli's method? Principle. Yes, hemoglobin combined with an acid. What acid? HCl. What is the concentration of HCl? Concentration, percentage. 0.1 n by 10 HCl. 0.1 normal n by 10 HCl. Okay. Keep in mind. Okay, so keep in mind, concentrated HCl has a normality around 12. 12 is the normality of concentrated HCl. Okay, so this is concentrated HCl. Very powerful. Okay, if HCl fell on your hand, that's it, your skin will start burning. So be careful with HCl. Anyway, so what happens here? In the presence of n by 10 HCl, our hemoglobin will react, leading to formation of what? Acid hematin. What is the color of acid hematin? Brown color. So this brown color will be measured with standard. What is the name of the standard? Comparator. Comparator available in HB kit, right? HB stat. So yes, n by 10 HCl. Then what are the apparatus of HB estimation? Apparatus for Sahli's HB method. What we need? We need a HB pipette. So what is the marking of HB pipette? So this is HB pipette, and for example, so it has an upper marking that is 5, 0.5. Do you remember? See here. The upper marking of HB pipette is 5. Okay. So there is an upper marking. When you collect blood up to here, how much blood you will draw? What is the amount of blood you will draw when you are taking up to this mark? 20 microliters. So 20 microliters of blood will be collected in this HB pipette. Then we have one more apparatus, that is HB tube. Right? So what are the markings of HB tube? Bottom 2, then upper up to 22. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes. Then other apparatus for this stirrer. What is the purpose of stirrer? To mix the sample, right? Stirrer, and what else we need? Reagents. So reagents include n by 10 HCl, then distilled water. That's it. And a sample. What sample you need? Urine. Blood sample. Blood sample. What type of blood sample? Peripheral blood or venous blood? Peripheral blood. Very good. Peripheral blood sample. So what is the procedure of HB estimation? By the way, one more thing missing here. That is an HB scan. So the scan. This scan has 2 comparators and 1 central HB scan. Right? HB scan. So these are the complete apparatus. Then tell me the steps. Procedure. Directly collecting peripheral blood. Yes. Okay. Arrange everything. Then add. Okay. Whenever we are saying HCl, is it concentrated or what? Always mention not concentrated. N by 10 HCl. This is universally standardized. If you take concentrated HCl, that's it. No, blood will boil. Anyway, so add N by 10 HCl up to what? In You have added your N by 10 HCl. Then what is the next step? Very good. Collect 20 microliters of peripheral blood and add this blood to the tube. Then what you will do next?
Mix.
First step, second step. Then you will mix them. Are you going to mix?
Yes.
Okay, mix them. What you will do?
Mix.
You need to wait for
1 to 2 minutes.
1 to 2 minutes. Minimum 2 minutes you have to wait. After 2 minutes, what you will do? Yeah, now you will start adding distilled water drop by drop to the tube. You added maybe few drops, maybe 3 drops. Then what you will do? Then you will mix it with stirrer. Mix it with stirrer. Then what you will do? Yeah, until the color of this reagent matches with comparator, standard comparator, you need to mix the, you need to add the water. At one particular point, both colors will be same. So you will stop it and you will take the upper meniscus reading. That will be your HB reading. Is it clear? Now there is a interdisciplinary subject crossovers. That is why you have multiple subjects in MLT. You have biochemistry, right? So how to prepare N by 10 HCl? Even though this is a hematology lab, still we relied on biochemistry because we are using those reagents. So how to prepare N by 10 HCl is today's experiment. And N by 10 HCl is the purpose is for this test. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now write down steps of preparation of N by 10 HCl. Maybe you can consider this as a separate practical, right? In biochemistry. So preparation of N by 10 HCl. Write down. So for N by 10 HCl preparation, what equipment we need? Equipment we need. So we need a measuring cylinder. This is a measuring cylinder. Now, today we are going to prepare N by 10 HCl for a volume of 250 ml. For 250 ml volume, we are preparing N by 10 HCl. Is it clear?
Yes.
So we are taking a measuring cylinder. Then we have taken distilled water. And we have a concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl must be whole, okay? It should be whole with gloves, not directly. It's very powerful. Yeah. And always there is a thumb rule. The rule was never add water to an acid, but you should add acid to the water. Clear? Water should be always large quantity. To large quantity of water, we should add acid. It's not vice versa, okay? To large quantity of acid, you should not add water. What happens if you add? Acid, it will blast. Okay? There is a proper term for it, exothermic reaction, and it will make effluent reactions. Effluent means they are very vigorous, very aggressive. Anyway. So now we are preparing N by 10 HCl. So the apparatus we need include reagent, HCl concentrated HCl. Concentrated HCl normality is 12N. The normality of concentrated HCl is 12N. Okay, 12 normal. Yeah. Then we also need distilled water. Then we need a volumetric flask / measuring cylinder. Then pipette or pipette. Then last and final but most important, your personal protective equipment. I hope you already know what you have there, right? Yes. So, how to calculate how much HCl we need to take for getting 250 ml of 0.1 normal HCl, right? N by 10 HCl. So write down the formula. The formula for preparing this one is So here to prepare 250 ml of n by 10 within the bracket 0.1 normal HCl. This is our test target to prepare 250 ml of n by 10 or 0.1% normal HCl. For this, the formula goes like this: V1 into N1 equal to V2 into N2. V1 into N1 equal to V2 into N2. That means where V1 equal to volume of concentrated HCl to be diluted volume of concentrated HCl to be diluted, then N1 stands for normality of concentrated HCl, What is the normality of concentrated HCl, by the way? 12 N. Keep in mind. Yes. Next, V2 stands for final volume of solution. And N2 equal to desired normality of solution. Desired